Are you looking to see if Freecash is worth your time? If you are, you're in the right place because I'm going to do a full Freecash review. And by the end of this video, you'll have all of the information you need to help you decide if this site is worth your time. So what exactly is Freecash? Freecash is a get-paid-to site where you can get paid for playing games, completing offers, taking surveys, and more. Here's how it works. Advertisers provide various tasks that you can complete. Once the tasks are completed, advertisers will pay Freecash a commission, and then Freecash will pay you. You can sign up to Freecash for free by entering your email, creating a password, and checking the box. You can also sign up with Google or Facebook. I'll leave a link to Freecash down below. If you use my link, you'll be supporting the channel, which is always appreciated. And I believe you'll also get a $5 sign-up bonus. Once you've signed into your account, you're going to want to come over here where it says Featured Offers, because here's where you're going to find the highest paying offers. If you click on View All, you will see all of the available offers. As you can see, there are a lot of offers, and some are really high paying, like this offer for $689, and this offer for $822. When you click on an offer, you will see all of the challenges you need to complete, and how much you can earn for completing each challenge. As you can see, you'll get 1 cent for installing the game. You'll get 53 cents for just completing the tutorial. You'll get $1.20 if you choose to make a purchase, but you don't have to. You get $2.31 for completing this challenge. And, as you can see, the amount you can get starts to increase the higher the level or the more difficult the challenges are. Over here, you can filter it to only see offers for the devices that you own. One important thing to take note of is most of these games will have a time limit on these challenges. For example, with the Monopoly Go offer, you have to reach board 2 within 2 days, board 3 within 3 days, board 5 within 5 days, board 26 within 10 days, and so on. And if you don't see a time limit, you have 50 days to complete the task. Another important thing is, you'll notice most of these offers, if not all, will only work if you're a new user. So if you've downloaded the app on your device before, you most likely won't get paid for completing the challenges. And you need to make sure you allow the app access to your device, because that's how Freecash can track your progress and credit you for completing the challenges. Now, completing these offers can take up a lot of time, especially the challenges with the time limit, but you can complete these offers faster by just searching on YouTube for videos on how to level up faster for the offer you're trying to complete. Before I get to how you can increase your earnings on this site, if you appreciate me making this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you know which side hustles are worth it and which ones you should stay away from. You'll notice over here it says Featured Surveys. You won't make as much from these, but they won't take as much time, and it's another way you can earn from this site. Freecash also partners with survey sites. If you click on one of their survey partners, it'll open up a new tab where you can find more surveys you can complete. Freecash has a section called Offer Partners. Here you'll find more offers you can do to earn, including watching videos, taking surveys, sign-up offers, and more high-paying game offers. Some of the offer partners will offer a percentage increase, allowing you to earn more than you normally would. For example, this offer partner is offering a 50% increase. So instead of earning what I believe is $135, you have the chance to earn $202. If you want to earn even more, Freecash has an affiliate program where you can earn a commission anywhere from 5% to 30% of what your referral earns. The higher tier you are, the more you'll earn. To climb the tiers, you need to meet the requirements. For example, to get to tier 2, you would need to earn $10 in affiliate earnings. If you click on the rewards drop-down menu and select rewards, it'll bring you to the rewards section where you can earn even more by climbing the bonus ladder. To unlock the bonus ladder, you need to earn at least $1 in the past 7 days. I don't have it unlocked right now because I haven't used Freecash since my last cash out. In the daily streak section, if you log into Freecash and earn at least $1 for 7 days straight, you'll have a chance to get up to $150. In the leaderboard section, you can compete to win daily prizes, and you can compete to win monthly prizes as well. When it comes to cashing out, there are a few ways you can cash out. You can cash out with PayPal, Amazon, Visa, and you can even cash out with crypto. There's Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. You can withdraw to your crypto wallet starting from just 50 cents, and you can withdraw with PayPal starting from $5 all the way up to $200. So, is Freecash worth your time? That's for you to decide. For me, I think it's one of the best earning sites out there. There are a lot of ways you can earn money on this site. Playing games is the best way in my opinion, because of how much you can earn, but it can be a bit of a grind to get through those levels and complete the challenges. At the end of the day, it's up to you to decide if this site is worth your time, and if it is, I'll have a link to it down below. If you want to see the 5 sites I use every day to make money online, check out the video on the left side of the screen. If you want to learn how you can earn a full-time income selling digital products, check out the video on the right side of the screen. And if you want to know which side hustles are worth doing and which side hustles you should avoid, hit that subscribe button and let's earn together. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.